Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I decided to be a little festive and bring you a wearable and affordable 4th of July makeup tutorial. I don't know why I keep doing this. And today's look was inspired by Shay Mitchell. This look, I think this was like a few years ago, but her makeup looks super cute. I was just like, why not do it? Why not do it? And I got some Covergirl, NYX, affordable makeup. You don't need to break the bank to look fabulous, baby. You don't. You don't. And yes, so before we get into this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, turn on the notification bell, leave me a comment. Oh, and make sure whenever you get back to work you have all your fingers, because you ain't about to be popping no firecrackers and Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this video. Your girl is dead today. Alrighty, I got my base on, got my little, what is this called, baking? Yeah, because I like my contours to be sharp. So we're going to go ahead and get started on the eyes. And for the eye look, I'm going to be using the Covergirl, this little palette, shimmery, and it's called 705 Go for the Golds. Alrighty. So we're going to open this. Here we go. And we're going to start off with the second shade, this color. And don't look at my little nugget nails because, oof, baby. We're just going to use our finger and just put it on. Ooh, that's pretty. Put it on our lid. Oh, that's super pretty. Okay, and there's that. A good base. And now we're working backwards. Now we're going to work on the crease. And I'm going to take my Physician Formula bronzer in the shade Bronzer. And take my little blending brush and we're going to work that into the crease. So we're going to tack it on to our brush. Tap off the excess and go to town. And it's okay if you get that glittery, the shimmer shade in the crease. We're doing a sparkly look anyway, so. Alrighty, now that that's all blended out, we're going to take another brush. This is more of like a flat shader brush. See how it's kind of flat and it kind of tapers at the end. So we're going to take this and then we're going to go back into the little Covergirl palette and take shade 3, which is the dark shimmer. Sorry, my light's like glaring. The dark shimmer, yeah. And we're going to put that on the outer corner with the brush this time, not a finger. And just pack it onto the inner corner. And work it up into the crease. Like a V type of shape. Yeah, so we're going to start this way and then point at the tail and then go up into the crease. And if that's not dark enough, we can go into the darker shade, which is number 4 in this palette. Just one right here. Yeah, that is dark. And we're just going da 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 da. Oh yeah, that's better. And now we're going to go in with this Morphe M504. It's much fluffier. I like this brush. I cannot talk. I like this brush to blend everything together. Make sure there's no harsh lines. So we just go in. Just blend everything so it looks good and not crusty. Okay. And now we're just gonna take the shade number 1, which is this, yeah, it's like a gold. Yeah, it's gold. A gold shimmer, and we're just gonna put a little bit at the end of our, under our brow bones. Because this stuff is pigmented. And just give it a little, ooh, see, it looks good. Just, you don't want to leave the brow bone out. I went ham on that highlight today. If you know me, you know I like me some highlight. That's that. And now for the fun part. We're gonna go and do the blue. I'm excited. I'm kind of nervous because I usually don't do color. So there's that part. And now for the eyeliner. What is this called? It's from LA Girl. It's their Glide gel eyeliner. It's blue, well, navy. Oh yeah, this stuff be fun. This stuff be cute. And let's see how this works in the waterline, baby. Ooh, I hate doing this. There's that. To blend out our, well, we're gonna smoke out our lash line. We're gonna take the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. This palette is so pretty. I love this. And I got this at Ulta. You can't get this at like Walmart or anything, but Ulta, they definitely carry the BH Cosmetic brands. But look at this. So colorful. Look at this, so pretty. And then we're gonna work with these blues. Ooh, I'm digging my finger in it. We're gonna work in with these blues. We're gonna go in with, which one's more? We're gonna go in with this blue. This flat shader brush. This one. Just so we can get it right up under there, and we're taking that dark. Want to pack it on. And then we're gonna get it right up under there where that eyeliner was. Sorry. There's that. And now we're going to blend that so it's not that harsh with, we're gonna blend it, this, ugh, I don't want it to fall. We're gonna blend with this color. I like to bring it down a little low because I got eye wrinkles. Oops, sorry. And I'm gonna take my favorite blending brush. Oh yeah, it's the e.l.f. blending brush. This is like $3 and just try to diffuse it together. Blend it. Alrighty, that's that for the eyes. The lashes I'm going to be using are the Eyelure Lashes in Opulent. So we're going to prep them. So we're going to prep our lashes with the Duo Brush On Adhesive with vitamins. Ow. Alright, those took me a hot freaking minute to get on, but we got them all. Now for the fun part. Now we're going to do our lips, and we're going to use the Wet n Wild. What is this called? Red the Scene. That's what it says. Red the Scene. And then NYX Liquid Suede in Kitten Heels. Kitten Heels. Click clack. Line our lips first with a crayon. I just use a lip liner because red lips tend to bleed, and if you use a lip liner, it doesn't bleed. Ooh, that is bold. Like them firecrackers. And if it gets crooked, you just go back in with your pencil and get that line straight. Now we're gonna dust off this bake because I've had it on for a hot minute and just blend it all.